Welcome to In the Kitchen with Chef Lemaire. Thank you guys for joining us. I'm really excited about this recipe that we're about to do with you guys. It's pretty quick, fun, and brings out a lot of flavors, and it's also a good presentation, especially when you have some guests around. So what do we have right now? We have some extra virgin olive oil. We have some green onions. We have some mini bell peppers, some scotch bonnet peppers. We have some thyme, some garlic, some lemon juice, lemon. We have the banana leaves, and we have this beautiful piece of salmon that you guys see right here. So all these ingredients, we're gonna use them to incorporate in one dish. And we do have some Dijon mustard right here that we'll be using to glaze and make our sauce to finish off with. So first thing we're about to start to do is cut up these ingredients, and we're gonna show you guys how to put it together. See you guys in a minute. Alright everybody, so we're back. As you can see right now, we have the salmon laying down on the banana leaf. We have our tricolor peppers sliced up in rounds, our green onions sliced in round, our lemon in rounds. We still have our thyme in shape, the scotch bonnet in shape, and we have our garlic finely sliced. So now what we're gonna do is we're gonna take a little bit of olive oil and drizzle on top of the salmon. Make sure that it's nicely coated. And our next step, we're gonna take a mixture of salt and pepper and sprinkle on the salmon, and we're gonna do this on each side. Make sure olive oil hits both sides also. So now our next step, we're gonna stack up all these ingredients that you have here on top and fold the banana leaves and place it in the oven. So first thing, you want to start with the aromatics. You have some of the garlic. You have the thyme. Sure you spread it evenly on the top. Then you have your peppers. And you have your green onions. Alright. Now what we're gonna do is we're gonna squeeze some lemon juice on top. And add some lemon rounds on it. Now our last step is we're folding this. Sure it's well folded, and if anything falls, just stick it back in. Now once we're done with this, we're gonna place it in a pan or a baking sheet. So you can finish it off in the oven. So you're gonna cook this in the oven for about 20 minutes and check it out, and then remove it. Alright, so now we took our salmon out the oven. So we're about to unwrap it to reveal what we have underneath. And here we go. So we have this beautiful flaky salmon with all the aromatics and the herbs, everything still on it. And you guys can still use this banana leaf just as your decoration. So what we're about to finish doing now is a little sauce that we're gonna do with some of the sliced red onions we have right here, and we're gonna garnish also with these red radish. So what we have going on, we have some oil, olive oil going on in the saute pan. So we're gonna saute these onions real quick. We're gonna add some of the Dijon to it. And we're gonna finish it off with some white wine. Adjust the seasoning a little bit with some salt, pepper. So we're gonna cook it until it reduces just a little bit. So as mentioned to you guys, now we have the sauce that is pretty much done. Just gonna use it to pour over. And this is pretty much ready to be served. We're gonna garnish it a little bit with some of the radishes. And here you go. So again, this was In the Kitchen with Chef Lemaire. So it's a baked salmon and a banana leaf with a Dijon wine sauce. Thank you guys.